Welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. I ordered some chevron beads just to see how they look and if I can come out with some patterns. I am still working on it. I just bought two colors, the crystal matte, and I bought this other color. This is the bracelet that I made first, and I made this one with 15 O's. In the tutorial, I show you how to make this one, and this one I made it with 11 O's. The first one has 9 components. The one I show in the tutorial has only 8. So depending on the thickness of your elastic, that's gonna depend if you can use 15s or 11s. I use the same 7 millimeters, but the black one, it's thinner than the white one. So when I started the video, I was trying to put 15 O's in this white one and didn't go through. I struggle as well a little bit with the pearls, so I just wanted to point those things out. They both are 7 millimeters. For some reason, one is thicker than the other one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick bracelet. The only problem is the beads are so small that you cannot hide the elastic. So I'm going to show you and you're going to decide if you want to make it or not. I'm still working on one bracelet that is going to be with clasp. As soon as I get it available, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make it. So the list of materials is going to be in the description box. So let's get started. This is a really quick video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. To start, we are going to cut elastic. I cut like 12 inches. If you want to use less, that's up. We are going to go ahead and stretch it 2 or 3 times. We are going to start by adding at 11. We are going to add a chevron in this direction. Next, we're going to add a Gemduo. We are going to add a chevron. Now we're going to add 1/11, one 4 millimeter pearl, and 1/11. Right now, what we are going to do, we are going to add another chevron, another Gemduo, and one chevron. From now on, all the steps are repetitive. One chevron, one Gemduo, one chevron, and we are going to continue repeating these steps. For a bracelet size 6, you are going to add approximately 9 components. So continue and I'll be right back to show you the next step. I have the length that I need for my bracelet. My wrist is 5.5 inches, so I add 8 components. If you want like 6.5, you can add one more for 9 to be perfect. You can continue adding until you get the length that you desire. To complete, I need to add a pearl and an 11/0. And we are ready to make our knot. Like I said, the only problem with this bracelet is that the knot is not gonna be hiding, but I really like it. So if you wanna wait for the version that I'm gonna make with a class, then you can wait. So to make the knot, we're just gonna stretch our thread one more time. We are just going to put one on top of the other one, pass it under, and tied. Now we are going to do the right on top of the left and pass it through. Make sure you don't get any of your beads cut. Like this. And what I like to do, I like to hold one side and the other side and then pull it really tight. And then we can do another knot, but this time we're gonna pass through 2 times. And then tight. And if you like, you can do this again. That's up to you. And we are going to tie it really good. Now we are going to use our hypo cement. And we are ready to start our other side. I won't cut the excess elastic right now. We're gonna wait. So let's continue. We are going to cut some more elastic. We are going to pick up 1/11/0. This time we are going to pick up one pearl. We are going to pick up an 11/0. And we are going to pass through our chevron, through our Gemduo, and through our chevron. Right now, we are going to continue repeating this step. So we are going to pick up 1/11, one pearl, one 11, and we are going to pass again through our chevron, through our Gemduo, and through the chevron. And we are going to continue until we get to the end of the row and we can make another knot. So go ahead and I'll be right back to show you how to finish it. I'm done adding my beads. I am in the same spot where I have the other knot. And right here, if you guys want to put a bigger bead or if you guys want to put a charm to hide the knot, I'm going to go ahead and make the knots again. So just repeat the steps. At this point, if these ones are bothering you, just go ahead and cut them not too close for now. Until they are completely dry, then you can cut them a little bit more. Okay, so the first one on top and then under, and then on the opposite way. Make sure you don't get any of your beads cut, and we're gonna pull. And we are going to repeat. This time it's going to be double. And we are going to pull tight. And we're gonna do it one more time. And we are going to go ahead and glue it. I'm adding a little bit more just in case I remove it while I was working. And you should be done with your bracelet. I will let it set overnight and then trim the excess of the elastic completely. I really like these bracelets because they're really easy to make and you can stack them in different colors. So I'm really happy with this result. I'm working on another one that is gonna have clasps. So this one I just feel like for really easy if you don't really want to spend much time beading. It's really simple and it's really pretty. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thank you.